Alright, let's see what's in this set, if it's worth it. You have no use for that. Rare for this. I don't know why you would need that. Christmas tape. Well, I'll get some of this mixed in there. Well, these are $1 at Harbor Freight. This isn't this long. This is pretty short. I think the Harbor Freight one is at least a foot longer. So we got the mirror. Let's see how long this goes. Are you kidding? That's as long as that is? Alright, that's kind of short. I'm not even gonna look at that. That's pointless. Let's see how long this is. Alright. That's a little better. Alright, at least that's longer. So you're allowed to reach farther with a magnet, but not with this. The Harbor Freight pincher is as long as this. This sounds like this is plastic. I guess not. Well, that's definitely plastic up here. Alright, well, that's plastic. That's plastic. What the hell would you make that plastic for? Okay. These. Ooh. Oh, these are nice. These are pretty long. Look at this. You even got. Oh, I like these. I like that these are so long. Oh, and this spins. This is the one I use a lot from the Harbor Freight. These are better than Harbor Freight. Yeah, these are better than Harbor Freight. I don't know about the steel, but you got serrated there so you can spin it, and it's longer than the Harbor Freight. Oh yeah, I like that. Let's see. Oh. Harbor Freight has one like this, and then this is bent. So I like the Harbor Freight version of this one better. That's nice. That's really nice. So for $5, this is worth it for $5. I like these. This is too short. This is useless. Eh. You get these for free at Harbor Freight. Oh, so whatever. $5, definitely worth it. 15, hell no.
Have wider space eyes.
Widely spaced eye.